This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brian and Nancy Stoliker. Located on the south end of the island, just one long block to Marco's South Beach. Beautifully upgraded condo boasts a chef's delight kitchen with granite countertops, stainless appliances, breakfast bar, and amp, laundry closet. Kitchen opens up to large living/dining room west/slider out to screened and amp, glassed in lanai. Split bedroom floor plan offers much privacy for you and amp, your guests. Master bedroom is very spacious, has a huge walk-in closet, and amp, slider to the lanai. Bathrooms have been tastefully upgraded with nothing left untouched. Convenient first floor unit near the pool, fresh paint, neutral tile, turnkey furnished west/minimum exclusions, plus plenty of storage space for all your pool/beach toys. Florentine Gardens is an impressive, friendly building offering great amenities including kayak storage and amp, special kayak dock, boat slips, wait list, pickleball, tennis, bike racks, pool, hot tub, grills, patio off social room, plus tables/chairs for outside dining. Long water view from the pool and amp, grounds. Plenty of parking for everyone on the beautifully paved drive. If you love the outdoors and are seeking the desirable Southwest FL lifestyle, you will love living at Florentine Gardens. Nearby restaurants, shopping, and amp, theater. Best of all, you don't have to worry about beach parking because the beach is just down the street. For more information, review the details below or contact Brian and Nancy Stoliker at 239-207-1187.